all of you. My name is Manal Sehgal and I am from grade 5A. Today is Tuesday, 18 February 2025. Let's start our presentation with the name of Almighty Allah. For this, I would like to call Vara for the recitation of Holy Quran.
لقد أرسلنا رسلنا بالبينات وأنزلنا معهم الكتاب والميزان ليقوم الناس بالقسط وأنزلنا الحديد فيه بأس شديد ومنافع للناس وليعلم الله من ينصره ورسله بالغيب إن الله قدير عليم.
For Hadith, I would like to call Varisha.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. तर्जुमा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया इनका हासिल करना हर मुसलमान पर फर्ज है.
I would like to call Fiza for the day's quote. Your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. Thank you. As you are well aware, we are celebrating Library Week. So let's start our presentation. Our friends are top priority and we must take care of them. Following rules is essential to the main discipline. Luckily, grade 2 students have arrived to teach us these library rules. Let us welcome our participants with a round of applause.
Treat everyone kindly. Take care of books. Please books where they belong. Responsible. Must give place. You have not finished. Follow directions. Inside voices. Walk ever run.
Wonderful display. I hope we all shall follow these rules. It is a famous saying that a book is a gift we can open again and again, yet we'll enjoy it. Now students, let's welcome our grade 3 students to demonstrate a skit on how reading is fun.
Sitting at his desk, intently scrolling through his phone, a text box lies untouched beside him. A soft blow starts to emanate from the book, and suddenly it flops open on its own.
Kid,
What? I'm thinking, or just my book came to life. Are you really talking with me?
well, not all books can, but I'm special.
I have been sitting here for ages, and I see you ignoring me for that little blue rectangle.
My phone has games, videos,
All sorts of fun stuff. I don't really have time for you.
well, I get it. You think you can't have fun with me?
Yeah, it takes too much time to read.
Well, let me tell you something. I may not have games, videos, but I have got stories, adventures, and a whole world inside it. All you have to do is to open me and let your imagination run wild.
But how does that make reading fun?
When you read, you will find my friends. In fact, let me call them. When you read, you think, explore, discover, learn, and succeed.
I understand now. The more that you read, the more things you will know.
What a fabulous presentation. When we immerse ourselves in reading, we like to think ourselves as the book's characters. I would like to call our primary students to cosplay as their favorite characters.
Hi, my name is Asam. I am a magician.
Hey, I'm Horror Henry. I'm doing Steve a favor. Steve needs socks more than I, definitely.
Thank you. How are you? My name is Claire. I like to go to library to read books and go to trips with my friends. Thank you. I am reading. I am a minion. Mr. Bean, I am a comedy character known for my sadness before and face various schemes to everyday tasks. I take a suit to fight villains. I'm a bee. A Disney girl. I live with my stepmom and stepsister. I am a very hard kind girl. Thank you. My name is Pinocchio. Whenever a does my nose became longer. I am lion. I am a king of jungle. Lion is a predator animal. Thank you. Hi, happy to eat food. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am going to tell you about some kinds of Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time there was a sweet little girl. Everyone who saw her liked her. Most of all her grandmother who know what to give the child next. Thank you. Hi, I am a fairy. I help good people in punish children. I am Elsa from Frozen. I am born with the powers of ice and snow. Thank you. Hi, I am Aurora. I love to see. Hi, I am a fairy godmother. She says just believe in yourself and everything will come true. Thank you. Fairy. I am Matilda Hornswood. I have telekinesis power and I love to do books. Hi, I am Alice. Everything got moral if you can find it. Hello, my name is Betty. I am a friend of Peter Pan. Aladdin is a clever and resourceful urchin from Aqaba who discovers a magical lamp grinding him wishes. Thank you.
Hope that you have enjoyed today's Library Week presentation and had a great time together. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this nice library week is going on and you have seen and listened lot of things like rules of the library you must follow in your regular daily routine, and you met with so many characters who just introduced, just give you a little bit intro about themselves. Right now give a huge round of applause for Ms. Zunaira and the whole student those who participated for this activity. And I would like to appreciate Ms. Zunaira who engaged all the students near about in this activity just to give them opportunity to speak, just to hold the mic and to say something. That is very important. To face the audience, just to evaluate your confidence level, it is very important. And when you hold this mic, are you getting my voice till the backside area? So when you are going to hold this mic, please try to speak like this. Okay? I hope next time you will improve this thing. Jazakallah khair.
परचमे सितारों हिलाल रहे बरे तरक्कियों कमाल तर्जुमाने माजी शाने हाल जाने इस्तकबाल चाहे खुदाए जुल जलाल।